So welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to measure a backsplash, enter it into our website and get prices for multiples. So today we're looking at a small backsplash area. The first job is to measure the width with a tape measure. So we have a width of 1200, 120 or 1.2 meters. So this is our width. The next step then is to measure the height. So the height here is 400. So we basically have 1200 by 400 and that's the size of your backsplash. So you're going to enter that into our website and then we can scale it across multiple products. Okay, so now I'm going to show you on our website how to create a saved room with saved dimensions and then price multiple products. So if have your eye on different products and the different price points, we can give you a quote for each different product without having to pick up the phone or come in and see us. You can do everything at home. So I'm going to click on this box up here, which is saved dimensions. We are going to name our room. So this time we're going to use our kitchen backsplash. Now, for measurements, you can enter in the total space using a calculator, or for example, this time around, I'm going to do the width by the length, like we did with the backsplash. So we had 1.2 by 0.4, okay? So save and update. So now I've done that. Now I'm gonna look up mosaic, which was what we have on the backsplash up here. So now I can see marble mosaic. We are going to select on the one we have here, which is Ilford. My saved dimensions is coming up already, which is my kitchen backsplash. It automatically is telling me the coverage and the number of units I'm going to need to do this area. So the total cost of 1.2 by 4 meters is 107.60, which we can see on the screen here. Now, if I want to go and look at a different product, and for example, in this instance, I'm going to select a hexagon. We can go down and we can see that the hexagon is actually saved and it's coming up under your saved dimensions kitchen backsplash, and straight away I have a price for the kitchen hexagon. And that's it. It's so easy to use.